Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to unlink people from GCash. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So the first thing that we need to do here is we need to open up our GCash mobile application and log in into our account. Now in this case, what we need to do next is we need to access our profile, which is usually located at the bottom right of your screen. Now from here, what we need to do next is we need to look for the option that says My Link Accounts. So let's go ahead and click on it. Now from this list, what you need to do is you need to choose the option that says PayPal. And typically when you access the PayPal option there, you should be able to see an option that says disconnect or remove from your account. Now in this case, for example, let's go ahead and click on the BPI, or in this case, the Union Bank option. Now in this case, as you can see, you'll have the option that says unlink. In this case, just click on unlink and you should be able to unlink your PayPal once you click on it. Now in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.